Today we're going to get grilled. This is the way. Work smart, not hard. And today we're going to make this door here. Anyway, this is the way. Keep your boots dirty and your soles clean. Alright, welcome to another edition of Man Kitchen. Alright, so you've been working whatever all day long, come home and you got a bunch of leftovers and you're trying to figure out what the heck to do. Well, I got one answer for you here. Okay, so get some leftover chicken, roasted chicken from Walmart. Well, you know what? We're going to get in there with our hands and a knife and we're going to just cut all that up and debone it. And while we're deboning that chicken, we are going to boil up a pot of water here and make some mac and cheese. And always, when you're cooking any kind of pasta, salt it like you're Italian. So we got all that chicken all cut up there. It's looking good. Water's boiling, and this would be a good time to set your oven to 350. And we will get the rest of this going. Alright, water's at a rolling boil now, and I've got three boxes of mac, and I'm going to put all three in there. Oven is preheated. We're going to give this a twirl so it doesn't stick. And set the timer on this for about 9 minutes. And we'll let that go. While we're doing that, I'm going to take this can of peas. I like Lesueur. That's what my grandma raised me on. Really good quality sweet peas. You could use any kind of peas, but these got a little more flavor to them, I think. You're going to open this can just a little and drain the water out of it because we don't need any of the liquid, just the peas. You could shred it, but kind of like chunks. I like biting into my meat and feeling like I got something. And like I said, a little bit of skin's okay, you know, attached to the meat, but you don't want to put like huge pieces, you know, of skin in there. Alright, got all that delicious chicken in there. We're going to give this another twirl again. Mix that up a little bit. Alright, now let's make it a little bit healthy. We're going to take some peas and we're going to sprinkle a can of peas in there. And like I said, these are the sour, these are the sweet, small young peas. They kind of got a little more sweet, good flavor to them. It's going to mix good with the chicken and the mac and all that. It's going to be tasty. Just get this mixed up real good. Scoop down there from the bottom and bring. Now, once that is all like that, you want to just kind of even it out. Don't pack it, just even it out. Make it nice and even like that. Alright, our next order of business, we want to make sure we don't make it too healthy. I mean, this is the South. So, we're going to take some potato chips with ridges. We're going to take some of these and we're going to crunch them up and put them all on top like this. Kind of make a crust for this. Lots more deliciousness. Just want to get a nice even thin layer on top here. Well, you can get your dinner and your snack all at once. Can't beat that. You won't have to snack after dinner because you already snacked. Snacked with the dinner. Alright, now we got that crispy goodness on there. So, what else could we use? Oh, of course, more cheese. I'm going with a sharp cheddar. And we're going to do a nice layer on top of all this crunchy goodness. Isn't that beautiful? And now we're ready to stick this thing in the oven. Like I said, we preheated it to 350. And we're going to cook it for about 30 minutes or until we see it getting kind of bubbly and we know it's hot. And so the timer's going off. Let's see what it looks like. Well, it is getting there. I'm curious about the internal temperature on it though. I think I'm going to check that. Alright, so she was reading 163 a second ago, but I've got the door open. It's 160. That's warming up. So it's getting kind of brown. I'm gonna do broil for like about a minute or so. Alright, I went ahead and went with a second minute on that broil after 30 minutes of baking. It was sizzling when it came out. You could hear that cheese sizzling and it looks perfecto. Smells so good. I mean, I'm getting really hungry. So we're gonna dig into this and we're gonna see what it tastes like. We'll let you know. Alright, so the family pretty much destroyed it. I got one big piece here, and this is just remnants that fell off of some of them. But we fed 5 very hungry souls on this. Everybody was really hungry. Everybody liked it. I'd say you could probably feed 6 extremely hungry adults, probably 8 people easily with this recipe. So I think it's a pretty good win for feeding a family on a budget. Okay, so there you have it. It worked out pretty good. I got 5 stars from my wife. She liked it. Only thing she said was more potato chips, which I might try that, make the crust a little thicker. Maybe I should use the whole bag. I used almost all of it, but I'll use the whole bag next time. And got 4 stars from the kids, pretty much through the ranks. One didn't like the peas. You know, too bad. Gotta have something vegetable in there. My daughter said maybe add broccoli instead of the peas. Yeah, that could work. You could use broccoli instead, although I think I like the peas better than what broccoli would taste like. And I don't know, that's pretty much it. Everybody really liked it. So, you know, on a budget, leftover rotisserie chicken, 3 boxes of mac, and a can of peas, and some cheddar cheese, and a bag of potato chips. You know, you could feed a small army on it for not very much money. So anyway, thanks for watching, you know, this edition of Man Kitchen, and please subscribe to my channel, Reverend Colonel. And everybody be safe out there. The world is crazy, and just watch out and be safe. This is the way it, you know, that's the way it is. So this is the way. Reverend Colonel signing out.